Hi, this is Keith Whitten with OrganizedWisdom.com. Thanks for taking 3 minutes to hear about some of the advantages with creating an online presence with OrganizedWisdom.com. To summarize these advantages succinctly, first, we can send traffic to your profile or health library, period. Second, our digital health assistants have literally set up hundreds of accounts. Therefore, with the right package, we can help you easily set up your health library or your profile with minimal interaction on your part. Third, a health library will save you valuable time in your practice. Last, we are a flexible company, willing to listen to your input. If you tell us that you absolutely need a feature on your health library, we are all ears. In fact, we heartily encourage that. We would relish the opportunity to not only help your practice, but to make our product better in the process. Well, let's quickly explore these 4 advantages. How can Organized Wisdom send traffic to your site? Well, OrganizedWisdom.com has been around for quite a while. As you can see by the Wayback Machine, in 2007 it started spidering us. With OrganizedWisdom.com, literally, we have millions of pages continually being spidered by Google. We have thousands of users on our Twitter networks that we continually crawl for these nuggets, organizing them by topic so that they can be searched. We have slideshows and quizzes, which all serve as entry points in order for clients, prospective patients, to find their way to your profile or your health library. These are all entry points. Second, even though our graphical user interface to create your health library is quite intuitive, it's easy to add links or photos or text or videos. Even though it's quite intuitive, we would love to help you jumpstart that process by helping you set up a digital health library to help with your consultations. It might be a little daunting, especially if you have, like Howard Krein, a lot of consultations. We would love to help you with that process, and we have digital health assistants that are experts in this area. They are knowledgeable, they know the medical terminology to assist you. We would love to work with you or with any personnel in your office in order to create whatever slideshows you require. If you're ready to set up your slideshow, we even have an example slideshow screencast that takes you from start to finish in setting one of these up. Even has an informed consent form at the end so that you can confirm with your patients that they have read and they are knowledgeable of what you just presented to them. But we would love to do that for you. Third, let's not kid ourselves. This is all about saving you, the physician, time. We believe, and we know from what we've seen with other doctors, that it saves them time as you streamline this process. We know that this might not appeal to all doctors, but we know that it appeals to some, that they understand that time is precious and they would like to save as much as possible. Let's just do a quick calculation here. Let's say you make one consultation slideshow, and as you can see from Howard Krein, he has quite a few that he has already set up and that he uses on a continual basis. Let's say you set up one. Let's say that you have this particular consultation, you do 5 a week. That's 5, and let's say it saves you 2 minutes because it's organized, it's succinct. You don't have to look for your informed consent forms. They're all right there. It goes directly to your email. So you save 2 minutes on every consultation per week. That's times 4 times 12. You've just saved 480 minutes a year. That's 8 hours a year, and when you multiply that by all these consultations, you can quickly see how much time you're going to save. We've just given you, with 8 hours in this one example, 2 rounds of golf. You're welcome. But think of all the time that it's going to save. Not only will you have these to run through with your patient, but this will mitigate unnecessary calls post-op because they know exactly what they need to care for, whatever they have to care for. If it's a surgery, there will be no unnecessary calls about what medications to take afterwards. They will have this link with them. They can refer it to their friends and family so that there's no question as to what the procedure entails or what will happen afterwards. Last, we model our company on 37 Signals, who is a software company who created Basecamp. Basecamp is basically just a project management tool, but they were even featured on their site, as you can see. Unity and Steve are founders. But we love 37 Signals because in essence, they believe what we believe. We code what works, and what people like, we do, and we eliminate the fluff. We love when our clients tell us exactly what they want and use. If you suggest a particular feature, we are all ears. In fact, we heartily encourage this. One of the main ways that our product gets better and better is simply because of user interaction telling us what they want. Well, we hope that we have impressed upon you how your practice could use the digital health library. We can drive traffic to your health library. Our digital assistants are standing by. They're knowledgeable and ready to serve you. Our tools can save you time, and we are always willing to listen to your input. Thanks for listening.